Welcome to 20 minutes satisfying video working and exciting factory machines. Ingenious tool, Admirable worker. Get ready for non-stop precision and pure mechanical satisfaction you won't want to miss. Forms with such stable precision that it truly impresses me a lot. Process is so satisfying, it keeps my New imported automated machines are much more efficient than manual labor. The machine age has arrived. This is what is called working smart. Like this truly represents the peak of modern engineering, is truly amazing. Stable speed, sharp blade, wood is turned evenly and cleanly. This steel bender is awesome. A solid bar of steel passes through a few rollers and forms a perfect circle. The stamping machine uses large compressive force combined with precise forming dies to create extremely sharp metal parts. Hydraulic pile driver helps to drive concrete pillars deep into weak ground. Instantly that this skill level is absolutely top tier. It is almost invisible. Watch as it brutally but satisfyingly eats away every piece. The tiller is small but has strong rotation force, very suitable for loosening soil and creating even beds like this. The hanger bending cycle is highly optimized. Large buckets like this one, commonly used in mining, are designed to withstand extreme forces and operate in harsh environments. The pattern is even and smooth. The machine runs very well. The rolling line uses extremely large compressive force to shape the steel while it is still in a molten state, ensuring a flat surface and standard hardness. Parallel robot application integration. Truly satisfying and makes me want to re-watch instantly. Every slice is as straight as a ruler. Compact excavators like this are perfect for warehouses, especially when you need to pick up quickly without crushing onions. U.S. farmers use laser tech to eliminate weeds. Modern agriculture Long arm machines are specialized in handling vertical terrain, helping to level dangerous areas. One day, robots will rule the assembly line. The machine uses a system of guiding rollers, combined with continuous bending moment, helping the copper tube to come out evenly without distortion. A rail conveyor system like this helps reduce labor and speed up harvesting in large fields. Stamping machines help in mass forming, ensuring high precision and increasing production productivity. The moment the corrugated iron roof was pulled down piece by piece was truly satisfying and pleasing to the eye. It's small, but its actual power is definitely moves fast, yet stays perfectly accurate every single time. Looks insanely pleasing. Heavy-duty steel rollers help compact the ground more firmly, preparing for construction. The movements are so smooth. Instantly, this technology is top-notch and high quality. This is a high-speed, rotating grinding head, using centrifugal force and cutting blade to break the root quickly. When lowering a large pillar, the worker must calculate the direction of fall. Large rock mining requires specialized forks to maintain stability and avoid surface cracking. This production line looks insanely pleasing and incredibly addictive. The tool may be small, but its actual power is definitely not small. This is exactly the kind of calm I like to see. The hanger bending cycle is highly optimized. The rhythm of this process is so satisfying, it keeps my eyes glued. You can tell instantly that this skill level is absolutely top tier. Red hot metal is pressed into shape to increase durability, reduce errors, and keep the structure stable. Each beat is even and precise, showing that the drum-making skill is truly excellent. This is the definition of low-key relaxing. The worker moves fast, yet stays perfectly accurate every single step. This already feels extremely satisfying to my eyes. It feels organized, balanced, and surprisingly soothing. Modern mechanical devices are amazing. The power of technology is truly immense. You have to admit it after watching. This tool is much smarter than anything I could have imagined before. This workflow looks simple at first, but delivers extremely high efficiency. Nine. This is what is called working smart. Technology like this truly represents the peak of modern engineering. Each beat is even and precise, showing that the drum-making skill is truly excellent.